How to translate Messenger messages. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to translate messages received in your Messenger DM within the app without using any other translation tool? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select a conversation where you want to translate a message. Now tap and hold the message that you want to translate. A menu will appear from the bottom. Over here, you will see the option for Translate. However, if the Translate option is not available on this menu, then tap on the More option and there you will see the option for Translate. Finally, tap the Translate option. As you can see, the selected message has been translated. Similarly, you can translate other messages on Messenger. To see a translated message in its original language, you can tap the option labeled See Original. Likewise, you can tap the option labeled See Translation to view only the translated message. And there you have it. You have successfully translated messages on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.